So hi all, this is Sachin VC. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Bluebeam. So this is the third video I'm creating for the family creation. So I hope you understand both videos. If it is, yeah, like so. Next thing is the connectors. So after completing the 3D model, so next is adding the connectors. So in Revit we have electrical connector, duct connector, pipe connector, cable tray, and as well as the conduit connector. So connectors is something like they are primarily logical entities that allow the calculating loads. So like each connector, like pipe, whether it is a pipe or electric connector, it is having the load. So how much DFU, how much fixer unit, how much electrical load, so these kind of data we are inputting via these connectors. So right now I'm adding the inlet connector as well. Right now I'm going to connect the pipe connector here. So here is the inlet opening. That means the cold water which is coming to the heater is somewhere here. So I'm adding the pipe connector. So this is the pipe connector point, and the load factor we are inputting the property box. So first thing is the diameter. So diameter is 1.5 inlet and outlet. So I'm just maintaining same thing, 1.25 inch. So it will automatically attain the size, and the direction is in. That means the flow direction is in, and the system classification is the domestic cold water. And the floor thing, if you know the value, means definitely you can input over here. If it is not, means don't worry about, right, don't worry much more on right now. So I'm adding the outlet here. So this is the outlet point, water outlet. So here also I'm adding the pipe connector. So then only we can draw the pipe from here. So the same value 1.25 inches, and the direction is out. And this is domestic hot water, so I maintain that also. And next is the electrical connector. So electric connector also I placed here. After that I am just maintaining the value somewhere here, and we can add the electrical data over here. And after completing the connectors as well as modeling part, just check the category. So assign the category as make sure we have to save the file in a proper category manner. So right now I model the electric water heater. It comes under mechanical equipment. So continue with mechanical equipment. So that then only in the project, if you go with in the system tab, if you go with mechanical equipment, means then only the category will get matches. So right now I am going with mechanical equipment. Click OK. After that, save the project. And I will show you how to load into the project. So right now go to a new project, system default metric, click OK. So control tab, go to the family and load into project. So right now this is a family which I modeled here. Okay, so you can see the pipe content. So this is something like cold water connection, and this is the hot water point. This is the conduit, electrical connection point. So I hope you understand the concept here. So this is something like a basic thing only. So if you guys are interested to learn much more, means definitely we'll do it in the next session itself. Detailed family creation. So this is the yeah, the scope of the video is just to familiar with the tools and connectors. So that is what we did. So right now you can see the thing, like this is what in the actual side and this is what we model. So I hope you enjoy this playlist, and let me know if you have any queries. I'm very happy to hear and rectify all the things in the future. So thanks once again for watching my video, and this is Sachin signing off. Thank you.